This our version of paprika aka Dzenkple is one of my favorites and it's a must try. And I did make my cornflour from scratch. You can also use the already made Tom Brown cornflour. I'm going to cook that in a simple but delicious tomato based sauce. And as you can see, I've added some oil to a preheated pan and caramelized my onions and pepper. And now I'm adding some mackerel, herring and stockfish. And I'm going to slowly fry that to release all the amazing flavors and aroma. Then I went on to add some seasonings and my blended tomato. I'm going to mix that together until it's well combined. I always like to add onions and ginger to my tomato before I blend it, but that's optional and I did not add any tomato paste to this recipe. However, you can do that if you wish. So I let that cook for a few minutes and then I went in to add some crayfish. It's a must, it must go in. And also added my crab and shrimp so that they can absorb the flavors from the stew. I'm also going to go in and add some vegetables. This is absolutely my own version of the meal and I absolutely want it to be super healthy. And as you can see, there isn't a lot of oil there as well. After cooking furthermore, I am now removing the crab. I did not get a fresh crab, so this is frozen. This is all I could get. I've also reserved some of the sauce. Now I'm just gradually going to be adding my roasted corn flour and also mixing it at the same time so that it doesn't form a lump. As you can see, I'm just gradually incorporating the corn flour into the sauce little by little. If you add too many at the same time, it's going to be too thick quickly and harden quickly, and you don't want that. With this, you want it to be super moist and soft. Therefore, you could leave it as it was previously or you can continue adding to get this consistency. However, you need to make sure that once it's ready, you eat it immediately. So I'm just kneading against the pot continuously and also turning. That's all I've got to be doing. It doesn't take long to cook because both corn flour and sauce were ready, so there isn't much to do there. So guys, if this is your first time joining me on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And I may ask, if you do eat this in your country, what do you call it? Be sure to comment down below so I will know and learn from you. After making sure that it's well cooked and ready, I then dish out and mold it inside a bowl and garnish with my crab and prawn with some fish and cucumber. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. If you do, comment down below and